one, it's a vibration type, just like I told you before. This one you just put your powder box here and put the suction tube inside your powder box, and this. And this type is designed for faster color changes. Now my colleagues are here to show you how to spray one workpiece. Now you can see here, this is a flat nozzle for this flat workpiece. Before putting, make sure this workpiece will be well grounded. This one is most important. Now we're gonna change the round nozzle and test again. Come on. Flat nozzle. Okay, now we change this flat into round nozzle. Now we change this flat nozzle into new type of spray nozzles. 这个为什么是新型的？因为出水量比较大。They use the air gun to clean the spray gun and the spray nozzles. Be powder coated because this workpiece is electric. So when the powder stick on this workpiece, it stick eventually.